Cooking with Chef Jackson. In today's Cooking with Chef Jackson, today we're going to be making a sandwich. Now, first, you're going to need some light. Second, get some bread. Disclaimer before the video continues. I got inspiration from Skeleton Slasher, so now that you know that, don't spam me in the comments if you're that type of dude. Or gal, I don't know. Don't want to assume gender. Anyway. Now, place the bread where you're... Do you really not know where to place the bread? Here will do. Now, time to go get a plate. Perfect. Now, pick the ingredients you want on your bread. We'll let the chef decide. What's that? I think the phone did a notification. So, if you heard that, now you know. Now we got some cheese, and we got some chicken. No, honey turkey. I thought it was chicken. Now, let's make the sandwich. So, get 2 pieces of bread. Ant. Ugh, you. There's an ant on my finger. The middle finger. Not gonna show. Now, I'm gonna let the chef decide how he wants to make it. If he wants to put any spices or anything on it. Spices can help dishes for better or worse. So, let him get the meat first. I can't get it without not touching the camera. Now we're back with Chef Jackson. Just pretend that was a commercial break or something. Now he's got the meat and the cheese. But now he needs some spices. I'm just gonna... You can pick whatever you want, but I'm just gonna use the spices I like. Sage, herbs province. These are my 2 favorite spices, but I doubt they go with honey turkey. Oh well. Now, look at the meat. Get them 1 at a time, and season them on both sides if you're going to be using seasoning. I like sage and herbs province. They're better if you cook it, but I'm just making a sandwich. And this is a dumb YouTube video that I got inspiration from Skeleton Slasher. If you know him, if you don't watch him, he does a lot of cool Roblox things, a bunch of Roblox toys. I don't know what they're called. But he has more subscribers than me, but oh well. Doesn't really matter. Now let me get another slice. And now, does not smell good. Probably can't tell because well, you can use any meat, any type of bread, any type of meat, any type of cheese, and you can literally put anything on a sandwich. Just not non-edible things like, well, chips are edible, but you get the idea. Anyway, and now, once the seasoning's complete, now you put on the cheese. You can put on the cheese first if wanted, but I put on the meat first, then the cheese. We'll be right back with Chef Jackson. Do you want Do you want any good food? Do you want some food that's okay, I guess? Well, then come on down to Chef Jackson's place. Warning. This isn't a real restaurant. I'm just saying this so I have time to actually finish the sandwich I'm making. So, once you got the cheese, now back to Chef Jackson. Now you got the cheese on there. Now you put on, and now you've got yourself a perfectly good sandwich. And you don't have to season it. Or you can just put on meat. You can just put on cheese. Or you can make grilled cheese if you wanted. But that's a story for another episode. Probably. Anyway, now, once you're done, put everything back. And now we need something to drink. We'll let Chef Jackson decide that. But you can use any drink you want, even water. Just be careful what you pick. Now, he puts it back to seasoning. We have a lot of seasoning, should have honestly. A little on some, but whatever. Anyway, back to the show. Now he gets a cup. You know what? Step stool. Let's get this cup. We got this at a pawn shop. It's an old McDonald's cup. It was either a McDonald's cup, it was either pawn shop or Goodwill. Now, place the glass there. Yourself a drink. Chef Jackson decides to use tea. Lipton tea. Nice, not ice cold. Stuck. Now, my dog's literally chewing up the pillow. Now, we'll be right back with Chef Jackson. Welcome to an ad of a show. Yeah, it sells stuff. If you want to buy this ultra close missiver with all this stuff, you will be able to buy it for $999999999. If you want it, just call 1-800-We're Totally Not Scamming You.org. That's 1-800-We're Totally Not Scamming You.org. Now back to Chef Jackson. Holy flip, I actually forgot to do something. Now we're back to Chef Jackson. Now he's poured a glass of tea. You don't have to make tea and I can't find a lid. And why am I whispering? I can't find a lid. Just don't spill it and you'll be fine. We also have Chinese takeout. We also got noodles, bunch of stuff. Now, you'll have yourself a delicious meal. That is cooking with Chef Jackson. Disclaimer, I didn't actually do any of the cooking part. I just made a sandwich and a drink because I'm not actually cooking. It's just what the show or a series or whatever you want to call it is. So, yeah. And now, a dog. Jericho. What the fuck is that? Yeah, it's a good dog. Knows how to do sit and paw. So, yeah. That is Cooking with Chef Jackson. Episode, I'm actually not sure. Have a wonderful day eating delicious food, I guess, depending on your cooking. And you can put literally anything on a sandwich. You can put on beans, whatever that is, cheese, mustard, any of these. whatever that is. As long as it's edible. You can even put... Oh, that's where the honey... Oh wait, that's the honey turkey from earlier. You really gotta use the bathroom. Anyway, yeah, here's some food. Like some chicken drumsticks that my mom might cook at some point. Anyway, that is cooking with Chef Jackson. Have a wonderful day having delicious food.